Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another opportunity tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay, in case you have any question, can you drop your questions in the comment section? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out all these assets, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, we will be checking out boom 1000 right away. This is boom 1000, and just the way we have seen it, guys, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. You can see selling right from this resistance zone, got to this support zone, went back up, and of course went down, broke out from this support zone, and of course it has got into this particular support zone, so it's trying to go back on buy trend, but of course it needs to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so it has been playing within this support and resistance zone, so this is going to be buying more than selling. Okay, it's going to be buying more than selling. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, it has been on uptrend for long, and of course it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment, so might be selling more right now, most especially once it breaks out above this support zone. Okay, once it breaks out above this support zone, then it will be selling more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, it's been on a very strong uptrend, and of course it's still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on sell trend, but it's going to be trying it out again. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it changes the direction of the market into a sell market. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, it has been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, pull back, and it's trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will continue to buy. If it does not, then it will go back on sell trend. So this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will start selling. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, this has been on uptrend till it got to this region, and of course it's trying to sell right from there. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, it will sell, but if it breaks out below it, then definitely, above it, then definitely it will be buying till it gets to the next resistance zone, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important, but for now it's trying to go back on sell trend. Okay, so this might be selling more than buying. Okay, so that is all we have for tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.